Hi everyone, and thank you for stopping by today. I've got a great topic for you. Today's topic is don't invest in things that you don't understand, because confusion is one of the most expensive risks in investing, and most people don't even realize they're taking it. So if you've ever owned an investment that you couldn't clearly explain to someone else, or felt nervous every time the markets moved because you weren't sure what you actually owned, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I'm Chad Derbyshire, Wealth Management Advisor based out of Vancouver, BC, and every week I release a new video like this to help Canadians make smarter, more confident financial decisions so they can retire with confidence. Now, if that's something you want more of, make sure you subscribe or take my quiz or book a meeting with me directly through the links below. So here's the problem with investing in things that you don't understand. When you don't know how something is supposed to work, every market movement feels like danger. Normal volatility feels like a mistake. Short-term declines feel personal, and that emotional stress almost always leads to bad decisions at the worst possible time. Most people don't intentionally invest in things they don't understand. It usually happens gradually. A recommendation from a friend, or something they read online, or a product that sounded sophisticated, or a compelling story about a fund, or something that performed well recently. People assume that if it's common, or if it's regulated, or professionally managed, well then it must be safe and appropriate for them. But common doesn't mean suitable, and popular doesn't mean understood. Now, I regularly meet with Canadians who own investments that they can't describe beyond the name. They don't know what drives the returns. They don't know what risks really matter. They don't know how it's supposed to behave when markets are down, and because of that, they're constantly uneasy. They're watching markets closely, checking balances frequently, and second-guessing every decision. Now, understanding doesn't mean predicting. You don't need to know what the market will do next. What you need to know is what role each investment plays in your overall plan. Is it meant for growth or stability? Is it long-term or short-term? How much movement is normal? And most importantly, why do you own it in the first place? So when you understand your investments, volatility becomes tolerable. You expect ups and downs. You know which movements matter and which ones don't. That understanding creates discipline, and discipline is far more important than trying to outsmart the market. When you don't understand your investments, fear fills the gap. People sell at the wrong time, not because the investment was bad, but because they never trusted it to begin with. They buy things that they don't fully grasp because they don't want to miss out. And over time, this behavior erodes returns far more than fees or market downturns ever could. Now, this becomes even more dangerous as people approach retirement. When time horizons shorten, emotional reactions intensify. Market drops feel more threatening. Uncertainty feels heavier. And if you don't understand what you own, you're far more likely to abandon a strategy at exactly the wrong time. Now, a well-built investment strategy should feel boring most of the time. If your portfolio constantly demands your attention, then something is off. Either the strategy doesn't match your goals, or you don't understand how it's supposed to work. Clarity brings confidence, and confidence brings patience. And patience is one of the most valuable advantages that an investor can have. This doesn't mean everything has to be simple. It means everything has to make sense to you. If you can't explain why you own something, or what it's meant to do, or how it fits into your bigger picture, then that's a signal that's worth paying attention to. If you're not sure whether your investments actually align with your goals, your time horizon, and your comfort levels, I've made this easy for you. You can take my retirement readiness quiz. It's quick, it's straightforward, and it can help you identify whether complexity or confusion might be creating uncertainty and unnecessary stress in your plan. You'll find the links below. And if you'd like to talk through your situation personally, you can book a meeting with me directly through my Calendly link as well. No pressure, no obligation, just a conversation to bring clarity and confidence to your financial decisions. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I send out a new video every week focused on helping Canadians reduce uncertainty, avoid mistakes, and retire with confidence. Now, investing doesn't have to be exciting to be effective. The goal isn't complexity, the goal is understanding. So thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.